In this video, we'll walk through how to manage user roles and company-specific access settings in ZenTreasury. These settings allow you to control who can see what and what actions each user can perform across different entities in your organization. To get started, open Settings from the main menu and select User Data. Please note that this section is available to users with administrator rights. In the User Company tab, you can see all assigned company accesses. Whenever a new company or entity is added to ZenTreasury, access rights must be assigned here. Simply click the checkbox on to enable the access to the specific company for the user. In the User Role tab, you can see assigned user roles and manage user-specific information. Simply click the checkbox on to enable the specific role for the user. By clicking on the three dots next to the user and clicking Edit, you can edit user-specific information and, for example, inactivate the user. Inactive users will still be visible on the user list, but will be highlighted in light blue color. User profiles cannot be deleted, ensuring full audit trail integrity, but inactive users will no longer have access to the system. If you have many inactive users, we recommend you utilize the Hide Inactive User feature that can be found in Admin Settings. Simply click it on to hide inactive users from the user list and click Save. In the Roles tab, you can see roles with their associated permissions. ZenTreasury includes several standard roles designed to reflect typical treasury and finance responsibilities. These include Super Administrator, which is used by ZenTreasury Support, Administrator, which is typically used by the company administrator with full system access. Other roles include Chairman, CFO, Treasury Manager, Front Office, Middle Office, Back Office. Each role comes with default permission settings. However, all roles in ZenTreasury are fully customizable. You can review a detailed list of permissions, which is currently over 140 individual rights, covering visibility, editing rights, approvals, reporting, and module access. Each permission can be enabled or disabled simply by clicking the checkbox. This allows you to fine-tune roles to match your company's internal processes, governance requirements, and segregation of duties. Changes are saved instantly and applied to all users assigned to the role.